In this video, I will show you the important method in JavaScript. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So at first, we define a array. This is the array that we define, and the output of this array is here. You can see from 1 to 8. Okay. So the first method that are important in JavaScript are array.push. This is array.push. And inside array.push you have to put value that we want to add. So what do array.push? So simply array.push do nothing but it's add element last index. Okay, suppose this is my array. Okay, this ends on 8 and I want to add here 9, 10 like this. So how you can add in array this type of element? Simply using method array.push you can add here like 9, 10. Okay, so you can see here array.push, and inside this I put value like 9, 10, and you can write up to many times whatever you want. Okay, so after printing this array.push we get output like this. You can see here, you can see in my first array that are defined with 8, and after adding on last index from 9 to 13, it added this element from, you can see 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. These 5 elements are added in last index of this element. Okay, the last, if you want to remove last element of the index, then we have a method array.pop. Okay, we have a method array.pop by which we can remove last element of the index. The method is array.pop. Okay, you can see here I have write this method array.pop, and what it will do, the things is it will remove the last element of the array. So you can see here the result is, this is the result, and it's before what we see from 1 to 13. Here you can see from 1 to 13 I have printed before this, and using this method array.pop we remove the last element of this array, that is 13. We removed it over here. And the next method, suppose we want to print as well as remove element, then which type of syntax we have to write? The following is the syntax you can write. Okay, suppose we have to remove and as well as write, then what we have to do is we write this type of syntax: let k equals to array.pop and console.log k and console.log array. Simply we print this, and the output is 12. You can see here the output is 12. This is the output, you can see. So by this syntax you can print the eliminated element. Okay, this is the syntax. 12s are removed from here. The next method is removing first element of the index. So if you want to remove the first element of your array, then what you can do is array.shift. The method is array.shift. Okay, so I write this array.shift and console.log array. The output of this syntax is over here, you can see. So you can see here 1 are visible, but after applying this array.shift method you can see ones are removed from here. Okay, so if you want to remove as well as print the methods, then what you can do, like above, you can write like this syntax: let n equals to array.shift console.log n and console.log array. Then what you will find, this 2 as well as this output. So what this 2 says. And what indicate this? Simply, when we use this syntax, then it remove 2 from here as well as print. Remove 2 from here and print this 2 has been removed. Okay, and the output you can see here, this is started from 3, not 2, because 2 has been removed from here. Okay, array dot unshift. So if we want to add elements in array on 0th index, then we have the method of array dot unshift. If we want to add elements on 0th index, then we have method is array dot unshift. Okay, so when we write array dot unshift and inside this we put value that we want to print on 0th index, and after this console dot log array, then the output you can see over here. This is the output of our array dot unshift. Okay, this is 45. Here is adding two arrays and printing these arrays. Okay, so the method is concat. So by the concat method we can add two arrays and it will also give the output an array, and it will not give the output a string, because for the string output we have a different method that will I define in next method. Okay, so in this method, in this concat method, we define a array a1 1 to 7 and the a2 array is 8 to 11, and it will store in array a3 a1 dot concat a2. So this resultant array will be stored in a3. So we print console.log a1 a2 a3. The output is, you can see, this is my input and output you can see over here. This is the output. As I say before, it will adding two arrays and also give as a resultant array. So this is a1 first array, you can see from 1 to 7, from 1 to 7. The next array a2 is 8 to 11 and the next array is 8 to 11. And combining these two arrays will stored in array a3, and this is the a3 array from 1 to 11. Okay, so this is the method concat by which you can add two arrays and it will also give a resultant of array. Okay, join. By the join method you can